This was supposed to be like a semi mukbang, kinda. Yeah, it would have been a mukbang of me eating the jackfruit, but it just turned into a video of me just eating jackfruit and talking to my mother, talking to my husband because they were there. Well, my husband was on the phone, my mother was right in front of me, and it just basically wasn't quiet enough for me to be able to record. But y'all are getting this content as is. And yeah, so enjoy it and go get you some Jamaican jackfruit. If you can find it in the where you're at, cool. If you're in Jamaica, you already know. This is jackfruit.
I'm in the council like the. You told me. It's different.
Yeah, I just slip. I can't eat that because they were stepping all over the place. Mommy.
Give the phone to your mother.
What happened?
Who's that? Your papa?
Mm-hmm. Boss.
It almost looked like Aki too.
Mm-hmm.
Don't taste like Aki because Aki don't even got no taste.
He's quiet.
Who, Daddy?
He quiet because he ear hustling.
Usually when you buy it, when you buy the jackfruit, it comes in a bag.
Too difficult to break up.
Yeah, but when you normally buy it in Jamaica, it's already peeled for you.
Well,
Hi, husband. Well, grind. Eating my jackfruit. You see, babe?
Calm down.
Greg, what's up?
I think I had it this way. Or did I have it this way?
Yeah, it's funny, babe.
You hear Mrs. Lawrence door?
No. Well, you know, Sharice's apartment is but so big.
Is that straight?
Nope.
Is that straight?
Nope, Gary.
Is this straight?
No. That is tilted.
Which way? This way?
That way. Which how you turning it more. No.
Okay.
Husband, what you doing?
How about now?
Yeah.
And my floor is wet over here. Wow. Ain't nice, y'all.
Babe, why grind?
Why is it doing that?
Why are you so quiet? I am using this to dig it rather than a knife because I don't want to cut myself.
Are you done talking to Daddy?
I'm not done talking to my husband.
I just got 2 phones at the same time.
Oh, look at this big old seed. If we had a yard, I would plant it.
Let me see. See? Keep it.
Keep it and do what with it, Rosie?
When we move into a new house.
I know that's right. My baby said save it for when we move into our new place.
How it look?
Good.
It looks a little crooked?
Mm-mm.
Yes, it do. Right, just a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Where you at, husband? An appointment? Ooh, look at this big piece.
Mama, you're putting it too low. They can't see.
Daddy, cause I love me some jackfruit.
This tastes like
What
coffee.
about now?
It's okay.
Gary, where you going?
Oh, that's why. It's a piece of wood sticking. It's a piece sticking out.
This popcorn was.
I guess that keeps getting in the way.
Give it to me. Go on.
Oh, you gotta dig all inside to get more of the. Okay. It's all inside. I thought it was just what was showing on the outside.
Mama, it's not gonna work.
Husband, how are you feeling today?
Last night, I never sleep too.
You didn't sleep too good last night?
He misses you, that's why.
Voice, you say you miss me. That's why. You miss me? Oh, okay.
You said yeah.
Daughters know best.
Okay.
Next time. See that time?
Babe, this almost look like Aki.
Oh, wait, that's it. Octopus.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
The kind of you
I
could
thought
be.
that was the fruit that stinks, Mama.
No, what fruit?
That's a fruit that stinks. And when I mean it stinks really bad. Like if someone farted.
I miss you too, husband.
Oh wow, should have did that.
What is Grandma doing?
Zion called me in the morning. Mom, Greg sent me downstairs and there's no bus here. I said, Greg sent you downstairs. He said, yeah, Greg said it's time to go. I know, but he don't have, the man don't have no set time. And he said he don't want to tell me a set time because every day the road is different for him. And so he said when he texts me, and he texts me every morning by 7:32, 7:45, 8:02, stuff like that. And when he's almost there, he says, I'm about to arrive. Maybe you need to go take a shower or rinse off, do something. Want me to pray for you? Want me to lay hands on you?
No.
Sherry's don't want me to pray for her. Huh? What you said, babe?
She ain't saying nothing negative. She's upset because it's frustrating, I guess, trying to figure out what to do with her dad's body, right? Once he's gone. The financial part of it. I'm done with this. I tore this up, babe. Look. Dismantle, y'all. Is that the right word?
What the?
So whenever you see this skin, which looks like some type of animal. Royce, what kind of animal this look like? Look. What kind of animal the jackfruit look like? And it's sharp.
It looks like a turtle shell.
A turtle shell? Do it look like it also could be almost a dinosaur? Or like some type of... Feel it. Right? Almost feel like it could be like some type of... What's those big lizards? Iguana. Yeah, so, right? Yes. Right, babe? It's like... I feel like it could be like some kind of reptile. The skin.
Like a dragon?
Yeah, anything of that sort.
Anybody gotta go to the bathroom?
No.
Okay. So that is it. And as y'all can see, I was eating some Jamaican jackfruit from Jamaica. I wish it was really from there, because if it was from there, it would have been hella sweet. But I was lucky to find this in the supermarket by my mom's house. So if you get a chance and you come across it and you see it, try it. Buy it and try it. It tastes really, really good. And if you're in Jamaica, then you already know. So,
Did you videotape it?
all right. I see you on the next vlog.
Did you videotape it?
My